when you start playing guitar, one thing to keep in mind is you have to keep your guitar in tune, and when you're a beginner, that can be sometimes a little daunting, but you can use this little clip here at the beginning of the video before we get into learning the A chord on, on how to get started, or you can match your guitar with my guitar if you don't have a tuner. So these clip-on tuners, they all basically work the same. I have a little button on the side and other buttons to create adjustments. So it's on, and when you hit the string, the tuner vibrates. Picks up the vibration. So once again, you have your low E string. Fifth string is going to be A. D, fourth string. G on the third string. B, second string. And E for the high string. So you have two E's, a low E and a high E. High E. And I usually start from the top from my E string and I work my way down. So say I pick up my guitar and my E's a little flat. It's a little sharp. I bring it down. And bring it back up to pitch. So that's one thing to keep in mind. You want to, if it's off, you want to go below and then bring it right back up to lock that tension in on the string. So once again, you have a E, A, D, G, B, E. And then to turn it off, I just squeeze the little button here on the side. And it's off. I usually take it off while I play. Sometimes they kind of rattle or make a noise or whatnot. So I highly recommend picking up a tuner. If not, once again, you can tune your guitar with me here. Starting with the low top E string. A. That's my fifth string, the second one down from the top. That's the D on the fourth string. G. The second string, B. And that's the high E string there. I hope you find this useful.